welcome to another video. I am Debbie. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. Today I have my 2022 completions for diamond painting, and I'm really excited to show these to you. I completed a total of 18 if you count these minis as one. There's actually 16 of the dog minis in here, and I really enjoy doing these. And these are from Paint Gems. So I wasn't really sure, kept going back and forth, should I or shouldn't I include that as individuals? But if you can see, they're so small that I kind of feel bad about including each one. So let me know what you guys think. Would you include it as a collection, or would you include it each one individually? So this is what they look like. I will just glance and show you these really quickly because I have already shown these on my channel. The majority of these I have underneath my completion reviews, and so I will post a link to that up at the top. Some of these I do not have completions because I did them before I started a channel, and I will let you know which ones those are. But I mean, these are so tiny, they're really cute. Some take about 30 minutes, some 45, just depending if I have to stop and do something else. But they are really cute. I have several of these for this year, for 2023, so I'm not really sure what I should do. So there's that one. And then I do have two that are missing. They were two from the discount companies that we gave to a couple friends of my daughters, and so I don't have those. But this one was the wreath. It was a special drills. Did not take very long on this one. Then I also have this one, which is upside down. And this is just of an elephant. I am missing one that is very similar to this, a 30 by 40. That was a whale. And that's one of the ones that's missing. And then I have this one. This one was another special. It did not take very long, but these were all crystal drills. It was very fun to do, something different. I have these pretty much set up by size and not by month. I love this small one. I think I'm going to have this one framed and put this in my craft room. I do have on my new intro, I have a bike, so this is appropriate for that. This was another special. It was a 40 by 30. This one was so much fun to complete. I really enjoyed this one. Then I have the little patriotic gnomes, and this was for an event, and that was for DP for vets, and that was through Diamond Painting Anonymous, and she's going to do that again in 2023, so I'll have to find something else to do. But this was from Amazon. It turned out really cute to be an Amazon order there. This one was the last one that I completed for 2022. This is Retro Santa, I believe, and this was Diamond Art Club. It was a 42.6 centimeters by 42.6 centimeters. I did this for jingle drills, and it had 36 colors. I really enjoyed doing this one. I am going to do a review on this one, and that's going to come out next week. I'm a little behind on that one, but with the holidays and everything, and then how I've scheduled some of my videos is just coming out later than what I normally would like to do. But it turned out really cute. It's very sparkly, which I really enjoyed that. I'll flip this one over. This was my Advent, and if you did not see that playlist, I will also include that at the top of the eye. I did one a day, one square a day for 25 days, and some of the videos were longer than others. Some I included stories. So if you did not see that, check it out. It was a lot of fun for me to do, and I really did enjoy doing this Advent calendar. This came from Diamond Art Studio UK, and also Add More Zest. This one was from Craftably. It was a partial. It's a fox, and there were only 10 colors here. It was all special drills. I don't know what is on here. It was all special drills. It did not take very long, but it was fun from Craftably, and it was a 16 by 20 inch. This one is Willow, and there were 40 colors here. I did this one before I started up my channel, so you won't see this one anywhere. But it was let's see, it was a 42 by 59 centimeters, and this was Diamond Art Club. This was a lot of fun, and this was Hannah Lynn. That was my first Hannah Lynn that I did. Okay, I'm going to flip that one over. The next one is from Diamond Art Club, and it is called Christmas Delivery. I did this in December of 2021, the very end of 2021 of December, and I finished this up early part of January 2022. It was before my actual time that I started my recordings, but I really did like this one. It was just really, really cute. Turned out very well. And I went ahead and I did cut the edges off because I put this in my portfolio. And I thought about actually having this one framed and putting this out at Christmas. I never did. And so now I have the other one. So I'll decide which one next year that I'm going to use. This one was from Die Moon Shop, or DIY Moon Shop. I really do like this one. It was by Cherokee. I have several in my collection to do. I absolutely love this one. I'm not sure of the size because I have it covered up. I did this one on my channel, so if you're interested in the post review on this one, then you can look that up underneath the link that I'll put out there. But I love the colors. I love how it looks. I probably should have gotten this a little bit bigger, but for me, it was a perfect size. Probably would have looked a little better, but I didn't have any problems with this one, and I'll definitely be working on another Die Moon Shop by Cherokee, hopefully this year. The next one is Two Fluffy Kitties, another Diamond Art Club. This was 39 colors. It was a Jasmine Beckett Griffith, and I really did enjoy this one. I thought about having this one also framed. I want to wait and see which other ones that I have that are cats that will definitely get framed, but this one possibly could be framed. It just really depends. It will stay in my portfolio until I decide if that's what I want to do. This one is another JBG, Jasmine Beckett Griffith. It was from Craftably. This is one of my favorites for the year, if not the favorite. I really enjoyed doing this. It was so much fun. It was absolutely gorgeous. This is Language of Flowers 4, and it was 65 colors, and I just absolutely adore this one. I love her eyes, and her eyes, I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but it just doesn't give it justice. The eyes are just gorgeous blue. If you look at this from a distance, I mean, it looks like a real person. Actually looks like you painted it instead of just diamond painted. But this definitely is a favorite. So I'm going to move this one over. Now the larger ones are coming out. We have to scoot some of these over. This one was Cauldron of Myrrh. It was by Diamond Art Club, 56 centimeter by 74 centimeter. And this one was 50 colors. It was fun. It was not as enjoyable as I had hoped that it would be because I did have a few issues with this one. But I will definitely keep it. I will probably bring it out around Halloween. I'm going to just bring this down some so you can see. It is very sparkly. I love the colors. Love the black cat over here, especially with the little yellow eyes. And the cauldron, her hat, and the top with the books. It turned out very well. It just was not one of my favorites. This one, the next one, took me forever to complete, but it is at the top of my favorites. This one is Titania and Oberon. It is a 70 by 98 centimeter, and it's a Josephine wall. I completed this for Mermaids and Magic, as well as the J Wall event last year. In 2023, I am going to be co-hosting the Josephine Wall event, and more information will be coming up with that, and that's going to be in April. So I have several in my stash. So I need to start deciding which one I want to work on because all of J Walls are very large. So I'm going to show you the detail. The detail on all of her work is absolutely incredible. And the shine is gorgeous. This took me 2.5 months to complete. And I worked on this, didn't work on anything else. I would have had several more completed, I would say, smaller ones if I did not do all these large ones. But the large ones, I love doing the large ones, but I'm trying to do more smaller ones and small, relatively speaking, in order to get some of mine completed. But I have so many large ones in my stash that you'll see some more large ones this year, 2023 as well. I'm going to go ahead and go through the top. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Unfortunately, Diamond Art Club is no longer licensed to sell Josephine walls, but there are other companies that are able to do that. And so this one's not available there. This may be available as a cross-stitch conversion, but I think that would take absolutely forever. There's no way I could do a cross-stitch conversion with this much detail. I know that several people have, and they've turned out absolutely gorgeous, just amazing. But I know that I would not be able to do that. I hope that you enjoyed my short video of my completions for 2022, and the majority of these are Diamond Art Club, but I am planning on having more of a variety in 2023. I already have several planned out on specific months that I'm going to work on, and there's going to be several different companies, not just Diamond Art Club or Die Moon Shop and Craftably, but I have others. Although those are my favorites, I do love them, but I also love several other companies as well. Thanks so much for spending time with me today, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.